fight. Rush hits, freeze back. He just came up. Kog'Maw goes back down. Goes out, locks down basically the entire team. Crumb's forced to flash. He gets a flash over the wall from the eyes of Sneaky. He's putting damage on it. Cloud9 coming back in this one with 100K in the bank. Oh my God, the damage coming in. Turtles light across the board. Pobelter as well. What a play from GBS. They find the Nexus. 20-10 and a 15,000 gold lead. Immortals takes down Energy.
Kill Gragas, kill Gragas.
Finish Baron. Nice.
Team Liquid eyes on the Nexus, and Liquid is going to take down Counter Logic Gaming.
Team synergy. Everyone change the Jake's icon.
Oh wait, guys, wait, no.
I like it.
Guys, I'm Udyr. I'm a bear.
Dude, I like it.
I'm staying a wolf.
Proxen has no health, and Fang doesn't either. Chased down by Double Lift on a killing spree. Re-engage, trades back, but oh! And in goes the Gragas. Turns into a couple of pieces of gold, and down goes the Nexus. There's the win for TSM. Big goes down to Billy Boss. The re-engage. They picked up Kiwi Kid. Here comes the push, and they're picking them all off. He's going for the turret. He's trying to save the game as Big takes up the damage. Key will be knocking down this turret.
Can you take your time?